In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of Neurographica as a meditative practice. This easy and fun technique combines art and meditation to help you relax and tap into your creativity. This exercise also helps you to let go of expectations and outcomes. So let's dive in and learn how to create your Neurographica meditation practice. So you'll need some paper, a pen or pencil, and I like to use a Sharpie. You can use any coloring tools you like markers, colored pencils, crayons, or watercolors, whatever you have on hand, and whatever medium your intuition is leading you to use. Now, before you begin, you want to take a moment to set an intention for your Neurographica meditation. This could be a personal goal, a feeling you want to cultivate, or a theme you'd like to explore, like getting into the zone, or learning to let go, or practice following your intuition. You will start at the edge of the paper and not lift your pen, pencil, or Sharpie until you have filled the page with loops and wiggle lines, crossing over lines and swirling around until you finally take your line off the other edge of the paper. These lines represent your thoughts, your emotions, and experiences. So just let your hand move freely without overthinking the process. Now, once you're finished with all of your wiggle lines, at each point where your lines intersect, you'll want to draw a small curve to connect them. This symbolizes the integration of your thoughts and emotions, creating harmony and balance. Now, once you have filled all of these little lines that intersect with these little curves and connections, then you want to choose the colors that resonate with your intention and begin to fill the spaces between your lines. And as you color, focus on your breath and allow your mind to relax. And don't think too much on the colors. Just color with the colors that you really like, or find a color palette that you like and just go with it. Once you've finished coloring, take a step back and observe your neurographic artwork. What emotions or insights does it evoke? How does it relate to your intention? So to deepen your Neurographica meditation, try incorporating mindfulness techniques such as focusing on your breath, observing your thoughts without judgment, or repeating a mantra related to your intention. Now, you can view other Neurographica artwork for inspiration, colors, methods, and then just let it flow again next time. Remember, Neurographica is a personal and unique experience, so feel free to adapt these steps to suit your preferences. Until next time, be happy. Namaste.